Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is a quick tutorial on how to achieve this beautiful peach ombre. I'm starting off by applying a paper thin coat of clear acrylic on the natural nail bed. And just so I can give it a little protecting layer for it. And when I say thin, I mean thin. Let's not do it thick because we are going to be encapsulating. This is going to be an ombre, so a lot of it is going to be powder. And I'm going to show you right here how thin and how small my bead is. Super small. Just apply it, spread it evenly, and make sure everything is covered. I just feel like this also makes it adhere a lot better than just putting the whole color powder on top of the natural nail. I'm going to be using this beautiful peach by Valentino. I'm going to go ahead and put everything in the description below and the colors and where I purchased it. I first started off with the orange just because I feel like if I were to do the other way around, it'd be a lot harder. And this consistency of the powder is really good. I liked it. It's perfect for ombres, and I am trying to get a bigger bead as I go, but try not to get a big bead just because you don't need so much. It kind of looks a little transparent, but it's not, and either way it's going to be covered by the pink that I will be using. I didn't record, sorry about that, but I did a little smile line, a little sharp one. It's very easy to do. I'm going to be using this beautiful gorgeous color that Bridget let me borrow. It's by Salon Ig Beauty Supply, and I'm sure you can get it online. I'll put everything in the description below, but it's a gorgeous glitter. And I'm using this nude, and as you can see, it covered the little see-through-ish kind of thing that I had going on. So the ombre goes both ways, guys. It doesn't have to be, you know, more peach than more pink. It's really up to you. But the proper ombre, I guess you can say, would be where the smile line is. And if you kind of mess up where you have, you know, you could always go back and add colors, always. And I'm adding the glitter on here after I added a little bit of the peach for the base line, kind of like a glitter fade, and then leaving the tip clear. I did use clear tips this time just because I wanted a different look. And I did add glitter on the ring finger, which I will show you guys in a little bit. I forgot to record that one. And here I'm putting the acrylic, and you guys can see that it's a whole bead. I try to get a bigger bead just so I can focus on the cuticle area first. Make sure it's not a dry bead because you're not going to be able to maneuver it, and whatever you're cleaning your brush on, make sure you don't have glitter like I do. And if you do, just be very careful. You guys can see right now that it's very defined, like it's not a cute ombre, but I'm going to be adding the peach, and then I'm going to be blending. Ombres are not easy, guys. It's all about blending, whether adding color or, you know, just mixing a little bit of the other color, but just make sure you can see the smooth blend in between the colors. So whether it's adding the pink or adding the peach, whatever it is, just go ahead and make sure it's a really nice blend between the colors. And both colors are by Valentino Beauty Pure. I'm adding a little bit more. Try not to make them thick again because we will be encapsulating this with clear, so just a perfect thickness. And I did switch my brush to a number 14, and I absolutely love it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put some glitter on here and just kind of scattering it. It's like a glitter fade, making sure that the bigger dots are where I want them so that you can see them. And this is a gorgeous glitter. It's like a brownish, silverish glitter with gold. Sorry guys, I do get off the frame for a little bit. I apologize. And this is a little blurry. I'm sorry. But I'm encapsulating it. Again, try not to do a thick clear coat. It's just so you guys won't file the color away. Just make sure it's covered and sealed. And try and shape it as you go so that it could be so much easier when it comes to filing and shaping the nail. Once my nails are fully dry, I'm going to go ahead and shape them. And I'm using my 100-180 grit file. And I am using the ventilator from Valentino as well. I absolutely love this thing. If you guys don't have it, you guys should invest in it. It's a really good investment. It definitely helps a lot of dust stay away from you and the whole table. And also the smell. I'm using a medium carbide bit. I'm showing you very quickly, so you know, you guys already know how I file. Make sure everything looks nice, the apex area is well, and you know, a form of it. The cuticle area, make sure you kind of flush it through this to the natural nail, and just sidewall to sidewall, and just always look at the nail from every angle so you can see how it looks, feel it. Shaping has to definitely be one of my favorite parts of the nail. Now I am using this shiny gloss and I'm applying the top coat before I apply some crystals. I am in love with this set. If the camera doesn't do the justice, in person it looks gorgeous. It is amazing. I just love colored ombres. For the index finger, I did put clear on the bottom one just because it's see-through. Now I'm using Soleil gel resin and I'm applying some rose gold Swarovski crystals with my wax pencil. I believe it is a 12, a 8, and some 5s. Then I added a little stud. I'm trying different methods on the glues, guys. If you guys have any recommendations, definitely comment below. I've been trying so many of them because sometimes one works, some of them don't, and it's just frustrating. But I am open to options, so drop down below what you guys use for crystals. Now I turn it around so I can make sure everything is nice and perfect. I'm going to be applying some rose gold beads. I did put glue on the little plate right there, and then I'm applying it with my dotting tool just because it's a lot easier. And then I'm going to be spraying it with a setting spray. It's like a resin activator. I mean, a secret resin activator. Like I said, I'm going to be posting everything on the description below. And that just sets and cures the glue. Well, guys, this is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, guys. Stay tuned for everything else that is coming. I have more tutorials in mind and also a class. If you guys have any ideas or any videos you guys would like me to post, go ahead and comment on the comments below. And I miss you guys, and thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.